Exclucity coming to you with another unboxing video. We got the Air Jordan 1 Retro for you guys in the Shadow colorway. So the last time we released this shoe was in 2013, so it's kind of a treat that Jordan Brand has decided to release the shoe this early. In my opinion, it's quite early, especially that we haven't seen a lot of other retros come back, like the Shadow 10s that are coming out pretty soon as well. Those we haven't seen in 10 years. These we had the pleasure to see in 2013, but Jordan Brand's giving us quite the surprise with the return of the Shadows. What's really dope about this particular pair though is that with the whole remastered program going on, especially with Jordan Brand and the retros, we haven't seen the Shadow in this quality, and I know I say this all the time, but the quality on here is crazy. And I can't even compare it to either a shattered backboard or a bread, because really the leather on here is just bananas. It's like if you look at this particular pair over here on the toe box, you can kind of see that it's like super soft and super flexible, which is something that's really nice about the Jordan 1s, especially that you have like this material that's like really soft. The leather is insane. Yeah, there's not much. It's hard for me to really describe, because I know I keep saying that the quality is amazing and leather is insane, but like I said, it's hands down one of the best leathers I've seen on the Jordan 1, and I can't compare it to a shattered backboard or a bread. So let's start by reviewing the outsole. You guys know that. It's the clean Air Jordan 1 outsole in black. Obviously the midsole in white and black, and then the upper part of the shoe in a full leather upper. You got the colorways of shadow gray as well as black on the side, and it has the Jordan 1 bread and Jordan Royal color blocking, which is crazy. Obviously the toe box has a great tumble leather, and then you got tumble leather on the swoosh as well as on the heel. You got the Wings logo right above the ankle right there, and then everything else is in the black leather. The past Jordan 1s had the Jumpman logo on the back, but since this is closer to the OG, there's no Jumpman on there. You also have, I had to lace up the shoes for you guys because the shoes come unlaced, obviously, like the OG Jordan 1s, but this time they came laced. Also comes with an extra set of laces in gray in case you guys wanted to switch it up, but personally I think the black is much better on here. In terms of the sizing and the fit, I think these fit true to size, but if you have a wide foot, you are going to have a little bit of trouble on the side, but until they give in a little bit more. So I have a wide foot, size 9 usually does it for me, but it does get a little bit tight on the sides depending on how you lace them up. So that's pretty much it for the Jordan 1 Shadow. Let me know what you guys think of these shoes in the comments below. It's time to look at what these guys look like on feet. Alright guys, so this is what the Air Jordan 1 Shadows look like on feet. We did do an unboxing video to this shoe, so let me know what you guys think of this sneaker. I think these shoes look super fresh on feet. You guys already know how I feel about ones, so I don't need to tell you about that. The new quality leather feels really nice on feet, but the width issue is still, I mean, it really depends on your foot, right? Like if you have a wide foot, I think you're going to feel the width issue a little bit more on ones, but the fact that the leather is so soft here, I don't feel it as much. Maybe it's also because I didn't tie the shoes, but yeah, I would definitely go true to size on these shoes right here. Let me know what you guys think of these shoes. I think these are super fresh. Thank you guys for watching Air Jordan 1 Shadows. It's a wrap. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to see more sneaker reviews in the near future, and also don't forget to hit the bell so that whenever we get a new video, you guys get updated as soon as possible. Thank you guys for watching. I'm rocking the daily paper pants with snap pants with the Air Jordan 1 Shadows, trying to lift it up a little bit so that you guys could see the shoe a little bit more, but this is definitely how I would rock the shoe, with some sort of a pant like this, kind of a little bit more oversized. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you. Peace.